Mama Mac's super cheesy potatoes. It's my in-laws' potato recipe. She makes this every single Thanksgiving. It's like our favorite thing. We look forward to it more than turkey. We have some room temperature cream cheese.
Oh, look, there she is. Oh.
Oh, yeah, she's so gorgeous, isn't she? And she's like very petite and so cute and fun and sassy. I love her. I'm so lucky. I have like such a good relationship with my in-laws.
Aw.
They're like the best.
Aw.
Okay, so we have some cheddar cheese. And so this is super cheesy, just be prepared. We have some grated Parmesan because, you know, more cheese. We're gonna add some more dairy. So
Just to lighten it up.
yeah, right? The acid just really brightens this whole dish up. So we have some sour cream. To make it healthy, we're gonna add some green onions.
Yeah, anything. If you put something green in it, it negates all of the calories and fat from everything else.
Yeah, that is how I see it. And Thanksgiving, like, no one's watching their calories. Just eat what you want. Live life, right?
That's right.
Gosh. You
Frank's
can-
Red Hot.
Frank,
Yes.
Red Hot. This is optional, but I love hot sauce.
I love Red Hot.
Sauce. So we have this cheese mixture, very easy. As long as everything's room temperature, it's gonna come together super quick. We have some potatoes here, parboiled. You want them firm, but still like kind of tender. And Rachael, let me ask you a question. Why do you want potatoes to get their feelings hurt really easily? This is a total dad joke.
Why do...
You might not get it, because they're thin-skinned.
They're thin-skinned.
And you want thin-skinned potatoes because it saves you a step, right? You don't have to peel them.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
If you get a thin-skinned potato, you don't have to bother to peel them.
Yeah, gold or red. But if you have a russet, you should peel them just because the mouth feels going to be better.
It'll separate.
So then we have this. So it comes here super quick, and then we're just going to pour it into a casserole dish. And I feel like Thanksgiving is like also a day for casseroles. I'm not a very clean pourer, but it's totally cool. I feel like
you're in my kitchen, Ronnie. I mean,
I know. Well, in that case,
we set the bar plenty low around here.
So we want like an overflowing dish because I think it just looks really good. It looks hearty and it looks really nice. And then what we're going to do next is this step is totally optional as well. And then if you forget the butter, we're just going to pour some butter in there. Potatoes and butter. Right? And you kind of put butter in everything in Thanksgiving. It's literally your saving grace. If it turns out disgusting, just pour some butter on it, and you're good to go, right? So what you want to do is take a mandolin, thinly slice some potatoes, watch your fingers. If you're weird with mandolins, I always take a towel and just put this on, and you just kind of hold it.
You know, on the oldie-timey box graters, they have the one
they
mandolin
do.
slide. Yeah.
Totally. And so what we're going to do, we're going to take these thin, sort of like potato chips, right? We're going to add some oil, neutral flavored oil, high heat, and then we're going to add some salt. I mean, that's pepper.
Whatever. Salt, pepper.
They
like to hang out together, Ronnie. Does it really matter? They're going to the same place.
That's true. That is very true.
That's true.
Okay, so we're just going to give it a quick mix. And what you want to do is just going to make it pretty. And this, again, totally optional. Then we're just going to layer them.
But it's cute. I mean, what does it take? 5 minutes?
Yeah, exactly. And then they're kind of like crispy little potato chip tops. Then what you're going to do is you're going to bake it.
A little fresh thyme.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is for after. I like to add this after, but
so
you can put it on top.
Yeah.
Exactly. So then what you want to do, so if you're freezing this, you're making this ahead of time, bake it in advance, okay? And then what you're going to do, let it cool completely, and then wrap it up in saran wrap, as tight as you can. Yeah, and this is what it looks like if you wrap it. But again, you want it like super duper tight, just because you want to keep the air out. Yeah, freezer burn or any odors that might end up being in your freezer. Look how gorgeous this is.
Look at the casserole with the chips.
And then we add some of the thyme on there. Just peel it up. I mean, strip the leaves. You have the thing.